Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is patty melts. So yeah, these are all the ingredients that we're going to use today. And yes, quick, hearty, fast, and for the kids. Okay, so we got some Mexican ground cheese, we got sliced cheese, Gouda cheese, classic olive oil, some sourdough bread, Thousand Island dressing, chopped green peppers, diced onions, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, ground cumin, parsley flakes, white onion, and some margarine. You can use butter if you want to. I have butter in my refrigerator, but I decided to use margarine today. So this recipe is really quick, really fast. I didn't want to cook a whole meal. And I made a couple of them so I could take to work the next day. So yeah, this is a good recipe, very affordable, and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you want to see how your girl created this recipe, then please continue to watch. Okay, so we got the 1.5 pound of ground beef. We're going to add some green peppers, some chopped green peppers. These are frozen from Stater Brothers. I didn't have to cut them. They're still frozen. I'm just going to mix them in with the ground beef. I also got the diced onions, which is also frozen. And this just subtracts some of the time that you want to take away from cooking, so you won't have to chop onions. I already was chopping onions, but I wasn't chopping them. I was just slicing them. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and add some Lori seasoning salt. We're not going to add that much, but we're going to add it because this is probably the only salt that's the ground beef is going to have. And we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle that on there and give it that little tang of that garlic. We're going to go ahead and add some black pepper. Some cayenne pepper to give it a little spice. This is optional. You don't have to add the cayenne pepper if you really don't want it, but I like my stuff spicy. And some ground cumin. So we're going to go ahead and mix that around. Go ahead and incorporate the diced onions, the bell pepper, all of the seasoning. But I wanted to kind of put it on something flat so I could go ahead and create the patties. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the ground beef onto a plate. Okay, so after we created those patties, we're going to go ahead and throw them in a flat pan with some olive oil and butter. And we're just going to fry them until they are medium well, and then we're going to set them to the side because they're going to also cook once they're inside of the sandwich. So medium well is what I recommend, but if you want yours medium rare, then that's on you. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and flip them. And we're just going to keep continuing until the meat is done. We're going to chop the onions. We're going to throw those in a skillet. We're going to saute those. And we're just going to mix everything all together. So I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and continue to watch me create this beautiful recipe. And I will come back real soon.